Are you using Instagram Reels? If not, this is the video for you. Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia and today I will introduce you to Instagram Reels. And let's start by just discussing what Reels are. They are vertical videos up to 60 seconds long, usually filmed in short snippets at a maximum of 15 seconds. Reels are intended to be more fun and entertaining than, for example, Instagram stories. And they were introduced in early 2020 as an answer to TikTok. Last year in September, Facebook introduced Reels on their app as well. Facebook Reels can be up to 30 seconds. Just like on TikTok, you can add music, AR effects, all kinds of effects. You can upload your own videos and photos to use in your Reels, and you can also create them using graphics. So let's take a look at my Instagram and I will show you where you can find the Reels. So here we are at my Instagram, and this is my homepage where Instagram posts from the accounts I'm follow show up. Reels has their own homepage. The difference is that on Reels homepage, all kinds of Reels show up. They are all public and you can find them. If you look here at the bottom of the home screen, it's like a little clapper, a little movie clapper. If you click on this, you will end up on the Reels home screen. I will do that and I will turn off the music. The reason I turned off the music is that just like on TikTok, Instagram has a lot of popular music you can use in your Reels when you create them on the app. But that music can only be used on Instagram and I can't play it in my video. Just as on TikTok, we can just swipe up to see the next Reel. Today, you can only watch Reels on your mobile device, on a phone or a tablet. Reels are not available on the Instagram website. I will let you know that you can use third-party software to be able to watch Reels on the web, but I haven't tried any of them. I wouldn't recommend to do so. In what ways can we interact with these Reels? Well, let's take a look on the side here. First is the heart. We can click that to show that we like a Reel. The little speech bubble, we can leave a comment. We can share to our Instagram friends by using the little airplane. By clicking the three little dots, we can share to a lot of places here on the web. And let's stay a second on the three little dots. You can report a Reel here. You can tell the algorithm that you're not interested in this type of content. You can copy the link if you need it for something else. You can save a Reel that will be saved in your profile under your saved list. And lastly, you can remix this Reel. And that's very similar to if you have been on TikTok, how you do a duet. But more on that in my next video, where I will show you how you can create your own Reel using your mobile device. Then we have the person who created the Reel here, their profile picture. You can follow that creator right from here, or you can click on the little profile picture and go into their profile page. And at the bottom is the audio they used. So that is how you can watch and interact with Reels using the app. As I said, in my next video I will show you how you can create your own Reels. And there is a way to create Instagram Reels using Canva as well. And in tomorrow's video on my other channel, Canva for Social Media, I will show you how you can do just that. Hej då!